Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cocktail pies. These delightful miniature desserts are perfect for any gathering, offering a sweet treat that's easy to enjoy. We'll cover everything from the simple ingredients to the quick baking process, ensuring your pies are a hit. Get ready to impress your guests with these charming, bite-sized delights that require minimal effort and maximum flavor. Let's get started on this fun baking adventure. To begin, gather your essential supplies. You'll need a mini muffin tin, ideally one with 24 cups and some pre-made pie crusts to simplify the process. For fillings, think about your favorite flavors, whether it's a fruit compote, a rich chocolate ganache, or a creamy custard. A small round cookie cutter, approximately 2½ inches in diameter, will help create perfectly sized crusts. Having these items ready makes the baking smooth and enjoyable. Now for the fun part, assembly and baking. First, use your 2½ inch cookie cutter to create perfect circles from your pie crusts. Gently press each circle into the cups of your mini muffin tin. Next, spoon about 1 tablespoon of your delicious filling into each crust. Bake these little beauties at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the crusts are golden brown and the filling is set. Your kitchen will smell amazing. Once your cocktail pies are baked, let them cool completely in the tin before carefully removing them. This helps them set and prevents breakage. For a beautiful presentation, garnish with a dollop of whipped cream, a few fresh berries, or a light dusting of powdered sugar. These pies are best enjoyed fresh, but you can store any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days. Don't be afraid to get creative with your fillings and toppings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.